Hello everyone, I am Karen. Welcome back. Today I will show you how to secure the bracelets with 4 round cords. Clear cords again, 12 mm. The holes are larger than 10 mm beads, so we can use 4 cords. Always remember when you do a 2 cords, 4 cords, or 6 cords, leave a final bead with the large hole so you can tuck in the knot. Okay, we tie 2 knots. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Okay, and then we cut the cords and we tuck it in. You see what happened? The knot is too large to tuck in because we are using 4 cords. So what will you do? Instead of tying the third knot with 4 cords, you can do it with 2 cords or 3 cords. This way the knot will be smaller that you can tuck it in. Let's do it. Okay, let's thread in the last one with the biggest hole. And again, we tie 2 knots. First one. Second one. Let's make a 3 cord secure knot. Right now you see 4 cords here, right? And then we take 3 cords and we lift this one, not tying a knot. So this way the knots will be smaller. Okay, we still have this cord here and we cut it. Right now let's try. You see? Just pull the string and then it's done. Some subscribers, they ask what kind of round cords I'm using. It seems like good quality, and yes, and it's kind of good quality. It's called Sky Systems 0.5 mm with 100 meters. I was told this brand is from Germany. You can search on eBay. Like I searched it 2 years ago, and it appeared with the price of 40 something in US dollars. Yeah, kind of expensive, but good quality. And if you want to buy the flat cords I always use, you can go to my website DIYnotion.com. But I only have this large size for jewelry maker. Yeah, it's 500 meters per row. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.